Hello everybody, this is me, Amanda Thomason, and we are going to be unboxing my Amazon package. Now, do me a favor, like and subscribe this video. Whoops, like and subscribe. Got those mixed up. By the way, this is makeup. It's not real. I didn't really get mauled or anything, so let's get into the video. So excited for this. First, we're gonna take this off. We're gonna take that sticker off because this has my personal information on it. You guys don't need to know that. I'm so excited to open this. Sorry, I need to. Let's just try this. The glasses. Ah! That's not strong. Let's try something else because I'm trying to open it. We're trying to open this now, so. And we're coming down so easily. Oh my goodness. This is very hard to open. Please forgive me. I think I have scissors. Hold on just 1 second. I think I have scissors. Oh, look who we got here. We got Mr. Caesars. Okay, let's unbox. Let me show you. Let's do this. We're trying to open this box. There we go. Now we gotta cut this part over here. All right. Woo! So excited. Get that out of the way. And we got another box. We have another box. These another box. We have another box. I said that 3 times already. Okay. Oh, that's a little bit easier for me. I hope. Wow. Oh! Ah! We got it! Please forgive me. Oh my goodness. Hate this. Yeah. Oh, yes. Here is the official. This is a mini fridge. This is my mini fridge. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, I love it. Look at that. Oh my god. And there you have it, everybody. This is my mini fridge. I will be making another video of me putting stuff inside of it, so stay tuned for that. Thank you, everybody, for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And, yeah. See y'all later. Bye-bye. Sorry.